What's up, guys? Just want to take a minute here and talk about some gear that we got sent to us by Swamp Buck. So yeah, let's check it out. Nice lightweight jacket here. Few different pockets. Got the pants here. Sorry about that. We got the Mindak boys in the background here. Always watch those guys. Those guys are crazy, crazy good. Love watching those guys. Shout out to you, Mindak. Keep up the good work. Keep up the content. Love seeing it. Yeah, so like I said, it's a nice lightweight gear. You can layer up underneath it. You can use it early season, later season. It's a tear resistant, rip resistant fabric. It's got the logo here. Got a little pocket here. Another one over on this side. Let's see what else. What's up, Reagan? The vest. We're gonna layer up. Can you get that in there? Yeah. Swamp Buck logo. Nice fitting. Like I said, you can use it for late season, early season. We're gonna try it out for some waterfowl hunting. We will get it in the stand for deer hunting, for archery hunting here. They also got a bunch of different other lines of clothing. Right there, Swamp Buck logo there. The Swamp Buck camo. Swamp Buck down the side of the sleeve. They also have flannels. If you're a big flannel guy. Nice comfy flannels. Got the logo up there. Yeah, they got a bunch of different gear. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Like I said, thanks Swamp Buck for sending this stuff out. We're gonna give it a try, see how it works out for us. Definitely, like I said, to go check out their website, buy some gear from them, see what they have, utilize it. Yeah. Just wanted to take a quick minute here before a short little quick video that I have from the hunt I had earlier today, and this lovely stuff out here. It was a little bit worse when I went out, but yeah, again, go check out Swamp Buck there. Like I said, good product, good guys. Give a shout out again. Like I said, Mindak boys, keep up the good work. You guys love watching the content you guys put out and everything like that. So yeah, like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace. What's up, guys? We are gonna try doing a little duck hunting here. Got the Death Cruiser out. Got the kayak on top of it. Show you what we got going on here. Kind of a little bit of a sketchy trip, but we made it. So we'll get the kayak off of the Death Cruiser and weather's not looking too well. It's kind of rain, snow mix, kind of crappy out, but a little windy. But we'll see if we can get after some ducks. Show you what we got going on here. Yeah, buddy. Death cruiser action. So let me get this unloaded here, and we'll go see if we can find some ducks. Hey guys, might be the smartest thing or the dumbest thing I have done duck hunting to get a bird, but it's pretty windy out here. Got snow flying around, but we're not gonna end it here. Let's see if we can get some birds. Quick update here, guys. It's really shitty out. We got ourselves a shitty merganser and a Drake Mulardo. We will continue this hunt here and see what else we can get. Alright guys, well, we ended up with one merganser, one Drake Mulardo, and a Drake wood duck. Let's just say I can't really show you the whole thing. He's headless, but I think a little bit of this. So sorry I couldn't get all the shot. I could get in the shots on camera there. So it happens when you're hunting solo. So hope you guys liked the video here. Subscribe and like. Hit that subscribe button. See what kind of other extremes we can get ourselves into with the kayak. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one, guys. All right, peace.